He's crafting.
Hi, welcome to the He's Crafty Quarantine Special. Are you stuck in your house and you need something to do to pass the time? Well, I've got a sweet project that we can do. All you need is
a fake skull, a can of spray foam, a drop cloth and a roll of shrink wrap, some red spray paint, a black acrylic and a sponge, and a fake eyeball.
Who doesn't have all that stuff laying around their house? Let's begin. Alright, so first step in this project is to spray foam that skull. Let's spray foam that skull. Say, if you ever find yourself quarantined in Michigan, I suggest you get yourself a bottle of Head Games, a spiced red wine by St. Julian's Winery. It is awesome. So when you're done, your skull will look like this. It has to dry for 24 hours, but you know what we have. We can hit that time-lapse button. Oh, the time-lapse button's played out, huh? Alright. Why don't you guys get back in your bubbles, and we'll let this thing dry for 24 hours. See you then. 24 hours later, and our skull looks like this. For the next couple steps, we will need another couple items. Hot glue gun and a heat gun. So the next step is going to be we're going to glue the fake eyeball into the skull with our hot glue gun. Next step, we need to go outside. We need a heavily ventilated area because we're going to wrap the skull in this plastic drop cloth, wrap it around with some shrink wrap, and then hit it with a heat gun to get that melty flesh look. Let's get to it. Alright, so here's our finished product. It's a pretty cool looking crispy burnt skull if you ask me. This is one that we did before. They pretty much look the same. That about wraps it up for this episode of He's Crafty. So I'd like to end by saying whether you're in quarantine or not, everyone please be safe out there, okay? And as we always like to do here on He's Crafty, let's end with that unnecessary drone shot.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Yo, ladies and my fellow bros, I'm Chip Gaines, and I'm here with a serious message.
How serious is it, Chip?
Yeah, Chip, how serious is it?
So serious that I dressed up and baby oiled my arms for this. As many of you already know that are in self-quarantine, this punk-ass coronavirus is dropping a haymaker on this great nation of ours. It's so bad that I'm not even going to the gym right now. And Chip without the gym is like peanut butter without jelly, bro. It's like doing 4 sets without doing a drop set. It's just not right. My ask of everyone else is to please sit your asses indoors unless you need to leave for food or work. Otherwise, let's limit that social contact that's going on, okay? The only way we're gonna beat this punk-ass virus is to limit social contact, okay? Let's flatten that curve like Chip flattens a 500-pound squat, baby. You got me? Now sit your asses inside, and while you're inside, do yourself a favor. Go on over to Spotify, catch up on the Creepy Crab podcast. That shit is awesome. That's all I got for now, friends. Chip out.
He's crafting.